Well, here we are, folks. Again, I want to go through one of the most awesome parts of the Adarac series is the mounting channels that you're actually going to use on the driver and passenger side of your truck bed are going to make the options literally limitless as far as your hauling capabilities. As you can see here, we have the M series, the lower profile rack right here in the middle, and then at the very ends, we have the nice sporty, clean looking off-road effect of the Contour series. So it gives you dual stage storage opportunities, a ton of different channels that you can put tie downs, cargo cleats, load dividers on, absolutely anything you need to move. The Adarac can get it done in this setup or many others. Give us a call and check in to what you are going to need for your truck and join us at RHRSwag.com.